A splendid morning. Last class we discussed simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. So that session completed. Now let us go through past tense. So the first category comes under past symbol. What is past symbol? It denotes an action that happened in the past tense, finished and closed. I mean the action which started in the long past that has completed then and there itself. So let us go for examples. I, we, you, they, she, he, it. These are personal pronouns. I have taken the verb as finished. I finished, we finished, you finished, they finished, she finished, he finished, it finished. Then what is the common difference between past symbol and present symbol? For example, I have taken the verb as work. Work. I work, we work, you work, they work, she works, he works, it works. Third person singular, along with the verb we are adding s or es. So that is the common difference between past symbol and present symbol. Okay. Now let us go for the examples, more examples. With time expression. With time expression, how can we use simple past? She called me last month. Called is the past tense. Without time expression, example, I wrote a letter. Wrote is the past tense. A recent past, we visited her yesterday. Visited is the past tense. Distant past, she lived in Hyderabad a long time ago. Lived is the past tense. One action. Example, she arranged a meeting with her staff members. Arranged. Arranged is the past tense. Many actions. They invited their friends and arranged a good party. These are the examples I gave you related to past simple. And here I think you might have observed one thing. Most of the place we used ed form. I mean regular verbs. Here somewhere I used wrote. Wrote. We won't say wrote, no? Write. Wrote only will say. We won't say write, no? So this will say irregular verb. Irregular verb. So here regular verbs already I mentioned in last class also. Finished, finished. Arranged, arranged. Watched, watched. Ed form we are using for getting simple past. And these we will call regular verbs. And irregular verbs go, went, gone. V1, V2, V3. See, saw, seen. V1, V2, V3. Buy, bought. Here you observe both V2, V3. Both forms are same. So such place, third form we are taking. Okay. So in short, simple past we are using for past actions. Completed actions. I wrote a letter yesterday. I finished my works. I arranged a meeting. These all come under simple past. Okay. Here, how simple past work in positive, negative and question. Positive, let us go for personal pronouns. I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Worked. So, I worked, you worked, we worked, they worked, she worked, he worked, it worked. Then negative, did not work. See, whenever we are using did plus the, whenever we are using did, we are not supposed to use after that ed form. Did plus present tense we will use. That only the past tense will come. Did not work. We won't say did not worked. We'll say did not work. Then the contraction didn't work. Here question. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. We are asking a question by using did as an auxiliary verb. Did I work? Did you work? Did we work? Did they work? Did he work? Did she work? Did it work? Okay? Then here the basic ways. Basic ways, let us go through basic ways. Here walk, walked, ed form. We are not doing anything. After walk we are adding ed. Cook, cooked. Other places bake. We are using only D. We are not using ed. B-A-K-E, bake plus D. Use. D we are adding for getting simple past. Why? Cry. C-R-Y, cry. What we are doing? Removing Y here and we are using I-E-D. Cried. Study. Studied. Same like that. C-V-C. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Stop. Consonant, vowel, consonant. What we have to do? Double last letter. Stopped. Here plan, plant. So here the question part we can use where, when, why. Where, when, why. Where did you go? Why did you go? And when did you go? Okay. So positive, negative questions. Work, here we can use worked, and negative we can use did plus present tense of the form, and here we can use did plus personal pronoun plus the verb. So here positive. I play cricket. Will we say in simple past I play cricket? So we have to use the past tense of the form play, played. They study well. We have to use instead of study, studied. If you use I play cricket, that will come under simple present. They study well in the sense, that will come under simple present. Negative. It rained. It rained. It did not rain. She called. Did not call. See here, whenever you are splitting cold or splitting rain, did plus present tense of the form you have to use. Did plus present tense. Question. She sent the gift. How can we ask a question? Did he send the gift? Here S-E-N-T past tense. Here S-E-N-D present tense plus did plus sent we will treat as S-E-N-T. Okay na? Now they stayed at home. Where did they stay? Did plus stay, stayed you will get. She arrived at 5 o'clock. When did she arrive? Did plus arrive, arrived you will get. See here, did plus send, send. Did plus stay, stayed. And did plus arrive, arrived. Okay na? Now here, short questions. Positive, in positive, short questions. We dash our ticket. Here it is given forget. Forget, we know that is present tense. We forgot our ticket. Here you have to say forgot. You have to say forgot. Here she dash early. Sleep. Sleep it is present tense only. Here we have to use slept. Slept you have to use. And here he dash English. In bracket it is given teach. Teach it is present tense of the form. Here what we have to use? Taught. Taught. Past tense. Taught. Then negative. They dash English. Here already it is given. Spoke. Negative what we will say? Did not speak. Did not speak. Did plus speak, that will come spoke. I heard. Did not hurt. Because hurt, all the tenses, all the tense forms, hurt only we will use. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Hurt, 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 hurting. I dash about you. Here it is given. Knew. Did not know. Did plus know will get knew. Questions. I dash your manager at the meeting. Met. Met. What you can make? When did you meet my manager. Then met we can split into did plus meet. Here she dash him 1,000 rupees. In bracket is given the verb gave. How much did she give him? Did plus give will turn into gave. Here did plus meet turn into met. So these are the things we have learned in simple past regarding positive, negative questions and some short questions also. So here short questions and answers also will be given in shortly. Did he finish his report? Yes, he did. Or no, he didn't. Didn't is contraction. Contraction means short form. Did the flight leave on time? The question. Answer, yes, it did. Or it didn't. Didn't is the contraction. Did you understand past simple? Yes. Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Contractions. She called. Positive sentence. Negative, how can we make? She didn't call. Did plus present tense. Then what is the question? Did she call? Yes, she called. They paid. Positive sentence. They didn't pay. Negative sentence. And what is the question? Did they pay? Yes or no answer you can give. Then in simple past, what all the errors we can commit during many places like tense, verb, spellings, helping verbs. Many places we can commit errors. So few examples we can go through, we can discuss here. Tense. I give him the laptop yesterday. The action happened on yesterday. So that is past tense only. Past tense, how can we use give? You have to use here gave. You have to use here. Instead of gave, you have to use gave. Then verb. She writes the report. She writes the report, that is correct only. But in simple past, it is wrong. Instead of write, what you have to use? Instead of write, you have to use wrote. You have to use wrote. Then, next one, they didn't call me. Wrong, that is did plus present tense of the form. So, call you are not supposed to use. Whenever you are using did plus present tense. Did plus call. So, here what you have to do? They didn't call me. C-A-L-L only you have to use. Call you have to use. Then, did you had your lunch? Did you had your lunch? Without using did, had your lunch, we can colloquially we can ask had your lunch. But because you have used here did, you are not supposed to use had here. What do you have to use? Have. Have, had, having. Those are the V1, V2, V3 plus V1 plus ing form. So here, did you have your lunch? Not had. Instead of had, what do you have to use? You have to use have. Have you have to use. Then spelling. Certain places, spellings also will commit mistake. He stopped smoking. Stop. Is the spelling? Just you observe the spelling, that is wrong only, no? Whenever we are using CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant, whenever we are using, what we have to do? Double the last letter. So, stop. So, this is wrong. You have to use stop. Okay? Then here, helping verbs. Helping verbs. You wake up early. You wake up early. It's wrong. What do you have to ask? Did you wake up early? Then you can give answer yes or no. Then he speak to her. He speak to her. That is wrong. Even simple present also is wrong. Why? If you are using simple present, he speaks. Along with the verb you have to use yes or es. So he speak to her, that is wrong. Even simple present also wrong. Simple past also wrong. So what we have to use? Did he speak to her? then it is correct. Did plus present tense. Did he speak to her? After using did, you have to use present tense of the verb form. Okay. Now in simple past, these are the detailed explanations, and you can go through each and everything and confirm yourself. In future you can speak well and good. Best wishes. So kindly like, share and subscribe the video by hitting the bell icon which is given below. And on par with us for speaking fabulous English. Thank you. Have a nice day.